Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a Snapchat account using email address. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So first of all, download and install the Snapchat app to your device, and after that open your Snapchat app and tap on sign up. Enter here the first name and the last name and tap on sign up and accept, and select here your birthday. I'm just selecting a random birthday and tap on continue, and here you will get a username, and if you want to change your username then you can tap on change my username and then tap on continue, and enter here a strong password and tap on continue, and enter here your email address and tap on continue, and you can enter here your mobile number. Also, you can skip this option by tapping on the skip icon to the right hand corner, and you can find your friends by tapping on continue. So I'm going to skipping this, and here you can see I successfully created a Snapchat account using my email address. Here you can see the email hasn't verified yet. To verify your email address, you will need to open your Gmail app and open the verification email, and you will get the verification link. Just tap on that and your email will be verified. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.